Hey folks, I'm here to give you a really quick update. I've gotten that problem with the volume knob solved, and I want to explain how I fixed it, and I'll give you a brief demonstration. So the issue was around here, around the 12AX7 tube, and the way that I found it is while I had that squeal occurring, I took this plastic pointer and was messing around with the wires, and it would stop. So that made me do a little bit of research, and really to boil this down to summary, I was being too neat. So I had all of these wires coming off of this board all bundled together with a tie wrap, and in doing that I was mixing the emitters and the inputs into one big bundle, and that was actually causing magnetic interference. So I took a look at the 12AX7, which you'll see here, and you'll see that pins 1 and 6, which are the plate, which are the brown and white wires, are the emitter and the inputs. 2 and 7 are the grid, and those are inputs, and then of course 4, 5, and 9 are your filaments, and those are emitters. So what I've done here is I've separated all those wires and stood them up in the air like this. I've also cut the lead short, and there's a term for this, it's called lead dress, and I had basically a bad lead dress on this 12AX7 tube. So that explains why I was getting that squeal. So let's power this thing up and see what it does. Alright, let's apply some power. You'll see I still have a few holes here I need to close up, although it looks pretty cool with the light coming out of there. Let's wait for this to heat up for a second. Got some nice filament glow. Everything's good. And let's turn that volume up first. All the way up to the top. It's up to 10. See that? Let's check the guitar. Nice and loud. It's not distorted. Of course I'm getting feedback because I have it right next to it. That's basically it. Nice and loud, this thing. Of course my volume control works great. Alright, so I've got a nice clean tone here, so I'm going to wrap this up for tonight. I'm going to do one more video just to recap the entire project, but that's it for today. Have a good night. Thanks. This is Ron.